a single parent and being a single parent in Central Alberta. Are you thinking about moving to Central Alberta and wondering what it's like as a single parent here? Well, come with me and let's slide into it. Whether you're thinking about moving in 9 days, 90 days, or a year from now, Jason Walls, my partner, and myself, Shalane Walls, we're here to help you and people just like you make your move to Central Alberta seamless. As I said, if you're a single parent thinking about moving to Central Alberta, grab a coffee, come with me, let's have a chat. Well, as you can see, obviously here in Central Alberta, we have beautiful fall days, we have beautiful parks. Currently, I'm over here at Heritage Ranch. And if you're new to our channel, you need to like and subscribe because we have done many videos about Heritage Ranch and all of the activities they have to offer all year round, from horseback riding, sleigh rides, festivals, drive-in movies, pumpkin carving, glow-in-the-dark Easter hunts, you name it, there is definitely something for you to do here at Heritage Ranch in Red Deer. Now, if you are wondering what type of childcare options there are here in Central Alberta, we have a multitude. So we have definitely private childcare facilities. We have day homes, which are run out of your home that are not part of the private program. There's nanny programs. There's grandmas that are nanny programs. So whatever you're looking for your little bambinos, we definitely have it. So the day home feel is more like being at home. It's more relaxed. There's fewer kids. The private daycare, you know, it's like a small classroom setting, a little more structured, more kids, less flexible with their hours. We also have the nanny program. So if you're looking for a nanny and because you want to keep your kids at home because maybe you work shift work, maybe the 9 to 5 hours or 10 to 8 hours don't work for you, that is definitely an option. And I do encourage you to go online and check out those different areas of childcare. We also have funding. We have subsidized funding because heaven knows, I know, Jason and I have 5 kids. We know what childcare is all about, and any extra help you can get to subsidize that childcare budget is definitely going to make a huge impact in your monthly budget. Now, if you're wondering about other supports here in Central Alberta as a single parent, because we know sometimes expenses far exceed our budget. We do have Catholic Social Services that offers programs, counseling, financial aid, financial services, and advice that can get you through those hard times. Of course, we have the food bank, which is a fantastic option. And we have another option here in Central Alberta, these little pop-up shops that are called Pay What You Can Afford. So you can just go to these venues and they have fruits, vegetables, baking, and it's basically an honor system. You pay what you can afford to get the essentials that you need for you and your children. Now, we also have clothing assistance. We have so many great thrift stores here in Central Alberta, and some of them are like little boutiques. Trust me, our 5 kids love shopping there. I love shopping there. You can get some amazing deals and some amazing finds without having to pay that brand new sticker price. And again, if we can save money on our essentials that can extend our monthly budget, that is just going to take the stress and the pressure off. If you're new to this channel, Jason and I always say we do the research so you don't have to. And especially on this topic, you know, it is so important that we are here to help make the big, stressful move with you and your kids as easy and as informative as we can. So if I'm touching on a topic that you might want some more information and you're not comfortable leaving a comment in the chat, please don't worry about it. That is okay. What I want you to do is dial my phone number, text my phone number, email me. All the information is here on our channel, and I will get back to you personally and directly with any information I can to help your family with that move. Because again, like I said, I want it to be seamless and take the pressure and the stress off. And if you are moving here and you need a realtor, Jason and I are the Walls Real Estate Group with EXP, and we have been here for over 20 years serving Central Alberta with our real estate license. And like I said, we have 5 children, so we know the ins and outs of the support programs, education system, the healthcare system, and knowledge is power. And we've made the mistakes, we've done trial and error, and we want to share with you all the good, all the information that we can. Now, let's talk about some of the fun things to do. Things to do in Central Alberta as a single parent. Oh my gosh, the list is endless. If you were thinking about moving to Central Alberta, specifically Red Deer, I want you to go to the City of Red Deer website and Google the Look-in Book. The Look-in Book is full of programs for you and your kids, or just you, or just the kids, from date nights to cooking classes, to craft classes, to dancing, to badminton, to yoga, you name it, checkers, chess, singing, photography, anything that you can think of as an activity is in that book. And that book goes season to season. So every spring there's a new book put out, every fall and every summer. And it is a great way for you to meet more parents and meet more children and get to know your community and get that sense of family. Because let's face it, if you're moving here from somewhere not knowing anyone, that's another stress. That's another stress you don't want. And if Jason and I can help alleviate that by sending you support programs or different activities that involve you and other parents and kids to help make those friends, we are happy to do it. There is also outdoor activities with kids, such as the Canyon Ski Hill. The Canyon Ski Hill is a great place to take your family. From tubing in the winter to skiing on the big black diamond to the red carpet. Maybe they don't know how to ski and they're still wobbly. That's no problem at all. You can put them in ski school and go for that coffee and take 5. Because let's face it, when we have children and we're doing it on our own, we definitely need 5 minutes here and there before we go crazy. And I'm not talking really crazy, I'm talking just fun crazy. We also have outdoor arenas, we have walking trails, we have Bower Ponds, we have BMXing, we have skateboarding. So many of the things in Central Alberta are free. And when you come to some of these parks and recreation facilities, they're jam-packed with kids and families. And people just like you that are out there looking to meet new parents and make new friends and get our kids to make new friends. So I'm telling you, Central Alberta has no shortage of things to do as a single parent with your children. Also, when you get into the education system, I highly recommend volunteering if you have time at the school, as simple as going to the PTA meeting once a month for 1 hour. It is a great way to get involved with your kids' school, the parents, and then you can start planning outside activities, play dates for the kids, and it is really great. When I moved here and started having my children, that is one thing that really helped benefit me, was getting involved in programs with other parents and other kids. And then it just expanded and bloomed from there. Also getting your kids involved in sports, you get that sport family. And not all sports have to be expensive. There are definitely non-competitive sports that are free. There's assistance to help you with the sporting programs. So definitely reach out if you want more information and more specifics about what Central Alberta has to offer for single parents. So I touched on the free things because let's face it, free is always best. We want to keep those dollars in our pockets because we never know what's going to come up when we're having to dish out those dollar bills. We have the farmers market in every community. So once a week, there's the farmers market where you can walk around. It takes a couple of hours being outside with your kids. Maybe you grab that $3 bag of mini donuts or that fresh squeezed lemonade and a bag of carrots, whatever it is you want to do. It's just something free to do. We have the Westerner Days, which is also fun to do. You know what? If you don't meet kids and parents at Westerner Days, then you're just not looking, because that place is full of kids, parents, families, grandparents, just like you. And I highly encourage you to check those things out. One of the last things I want to touch on that is really important, because as a single parent, I kind of talked about it in a funny way, going crazy, but you do need to take time for yourself. You do need to make sure your mental health is in check. So there are definitely many things that you as a parent can do to make sure that you're feeling good, rested, tired. You can go to the gym if you want to, if that's something you want to do. Most of our gyms in Central Alberta have childcare, child minding, and some of them are even included with your membership. So again, there we are, keeping those extra dollars in our pockets. You can go to the library and take time off. If you need to use the computer there because maybe you don't have one at home, they have them there available for you. You can go to yoga in the park, which is oftentimes free. There's singing lessons, there's the breathing room, there's anything that fuels you and gives you that sense of mental health and can keep you going day to day, I highly encourage you to check that Look and Book, because I know it is there for you, and you're going to meet other parents just like you that you can connect with and start creating that sense of family in your new community. Central Alberta, Shalane Walls, Jason Walls. And again, if you're thinking about moving in 9 days, 90 days, or 1 year, it doesn't matter to us. We are here to help you. We do the research so you don't have to. And I promise you, if you reach out to us by giving us a call, by sending us an email, or sending me a text, we will get back to you personally right away.